Can you believe that just 4 common fruits could help you regain strength in your legs and live with confidence and independence, even after turning 60? This isn't a commercial. It's a truth backed by the latest scientific research. Some of the most ordinary fruits, ones you might already have at home, do more than just provide vitamins and antioxidants. They contain powerful natural compounds that help preserve muscle mass, strengthen your legs, and slow down the aging process in your body. Muscle loss, or sarcopenia, affects more than 30% of people over the age of 60. It gradually weakens your legs, steals your strength, increases your risk of falling, and threatens your ability to live independently. The scary part? Most people don't even realize it's happening until it's too late. That's exactly what happened to Mary, a 67-year-old woman living in a small town in the U.S. Mary used to feel her legs getting weaker by the day. Standing up, walking, even doing basic tasks made her anxious. She feared losing her independence and becoming a burden to others. Every small fall added to her fear. She began to believe that old age would slowly take everything from her. But then, a spark of hope. Mary learned about 4 simple, familiar fruits that studies show can actually help rebuild muscle strength and protect against muscle loss. She didn't expect a miracle, but she gave herself a chance. She added these fruits to her daily routine, and just a few weeks later, she started to feel a real difference. Her legs felt stronger. She could walk farther, stand up more easily, and move with a new sense of confidence. She didn't just regain her physical strength. She felt alive again, energized, hopeful, and joyful. So what were those 4 fruits? That's exactly what this video will reveal. And fruit number 2 might really surprise you. It's cool, refreshing, and delicious. But it also holds a secret, a natural compound that helps rebuild and repair muscle tissue. It could be the key to helping you walk strong again, naturally. Are you ready to discover them? If your goal is to stay strong, independent, and full of energy, whether you're in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a health tip that could change your life. And one more thing, leave us a comment below and tell us, where in the world are you watching from? We'd love to hear your story and welcome you into our growing community, a community of people choosing strength, vitality, and healthy living every single day. Number 4, dates. Dates might not be the first fruit that comes to mind when you think about muscle health, but for Mary, now 67, dates have become an essential part of her journey to rebuild strength in her once weak and easily fatigued legs. They're not just a naturally sweet snack. They're a gentle yet powerful medicine from nature that helps nourish muscles in a clean, healthy, and effective way. As we age, one of the most concerning challenges is sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss that makes movement harder, increases the risk of falling, and slowly chips away at our independence. To fight back, the body needs the right fuel, energy, minerals, and compounds that help regenerate muscle tissue. And surprisingly, dates provide all of that. Dates are packed with natural glucose, a clean source of energy that helps muscles recover quickly after movement or exercise. They also contain potassium, a vital mineral that supports muscle flexibility, prevents cramps, and helps transmit nerve signals from your brain to your arms and legs. But that's not all. Dates are also rich in flavonoids and polyphenols, powerful plant compounds shown to reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 major factors that contribute to muscle damage and premature aging. One study published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that regular date consumption helped lower oxidative stress in muscle tissue and improve recovery in older adults after physical activity. And it's not just about muscle. Dates also support digestive health, provide fiber, and help regulate blood sugar levels, which is especially important for older adults who need steady energy without weight gain or sugar crashes. Mary eats 3 to 5 dates a day, usually in the morning or mid-afternoon, when her body needs a natural boost of energy and just a touch of sweetness. You can eat them whole, chop them into oatmeal or yogurt, or blend them with bananas for a delicious smoothie. Just be sure to choose unsweetened, chemical-free dates to get the full benefits safely and naturally. Number 3. Pineapple. Pineapple, the tropical fruit with its sweet and tangy flavor, has long been loved for its refreshing taste and digestion-boosting benefits. But for 67-year-old Mary, it's more than just a treat. It's one of her secret weapons in regaining mobility and improving the flexibility of her legs after years of age-related decline. For many people over 60, the challenge isn't just muscle loss. It's also chronic inflammation in the muscles and joints, making everyday movements like standing, sitting, or walking feel stiff, painful, and exhausting. That's where bromelain comes in, a powerful enzyme found only in pineapple. Bromelain has been studied for decades as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. According to a study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food, bromelain has been shown to reduce muscle inflammation, ease joint pain, and improve mobility, especially in older adults dealing with arthritis or age-related muscle weakness. But its benefits go even deeper. Bromelain also supports tissue repair, helping the body regenerate damaged muscle fibers more efficiently. And pineapple doesn't stop there. It's also packed with vitamin C, a crucial antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage and supports collagen production, essential for healthy connective tissue and muscle structure. In addition, pineapple contains manganese, a lesser-known mineral that plays a key role in energy metabolism and helps maintain bone and muscle strength. Mary enjoys a few slices of fresh pineapple after her main meals, which is the best time to help the body absorb bromelain effectively. She also makes a homemade anti-inflammatory drink by blending fresh pineapple juice with ginger and turmeric, a delicious soothing tonic for her muscles and joints. One important tip: stick with fresh pineapple. Canned or processed varieties often lose much of the natural bromelain during manufacturing, so the health benefits just aren't the same. Number 2. Kiwi. Small, humble, and often overlooked. But kiwi is one of the true superfruits that 67-year-old Mary never skips in her daily routine. It's not just the refreshing taste or how easy it is to eat. Kiwi is packed with a wide range of nutrients that help nourish the muscles, improve blood circulation, and maintain flexibility, all essential for healthy aging. Once you reach your 60s, your body begins to absorb nutrients less efficiently. That means muscle recovery after physical activity becomes slower, and poor circulation can make your legs feel cold, weak, or prone to cramps. This is exactly why kiwi becomes such a valuable ally. Just one small kiwi contains over 200% of your daily vitamin C needs, which helps boost collagen production, the protein that gives muscles and blood vessels their strength and elasticity. It's also rich in vitamin E, folate, and potassium, all of which support circulation and fight inflammation, a hidden factor behind long-term muscle decline. But here's what makes kiwi truly unique. It contains actinidin, a natural enzyme that improves protein digestion. This means your body can better absorb amino acids, the building blocks needed to repair and grow muscle tissue. According to a study published in the International Journal of Food Sciences and Nutrition, kiwi significantly improves digestion and nutrient absorption in older adults, which in turn enhances muscle recovery and overall strength. Mary usually eats 1 or 2 kiwis in the morning after a light breakfast or enjoys them as a dessert after dinner. She says eating kiwi doesn't just support her muscle health, it's also made her skin glow and helped her sleep more soundly at night. You can enjoy kiwi on its own, slice it into yogurt, or blend it with banana for a simple and delicious smoothie. However you choose to eat it, don't underestimate the power of this little green fruit. It might just be your secret to staying strong, flexible, and energized as the years go by. Number 1. Blueberries. Throughout her journey to regain strength in her legs, there was one small but incredibly powerful fruit that accompanied Mary every single day. Blueberries. Though tiny in size, these juicy little berries are packed with a hidden treasure trove of nutrients, especially for those over 60 who are looking to restore their balance, flexibility, and strength. You see, for older adults, the problem isn't just muscle loss. It's also the decline in motor coordination and nerve reflexes. This loss of control is one of the leading causes of falls, which often rob seniors of their independence. Blueberries don't just help rebuild muscles, they also support brain function, which controls every movement your body makes. What makes them so special? Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect both muscle and nerve cells from aging. According to a study published in the Journal of Gerontology, regular blueberry consumption can improve balance, walking ability, and reaction time in older adults in as little as 6 to 8 weeks. But that's not all. Blueberries also contain polyphenols, which improve blood flow to muscles and joints and reduce the risk of chronic inflammation, a hidden cause of ongoing weakness and discomfort. Plus, with their high content of vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese, blueberries help strengthen connective tissues and boost the body's ability to recover after movement or exercise. Mary typically enjoys a small handful of fresh blueberries in the morning, sometimes by themselves, other times sprinkled over oatmeal or mixed into unsweetened yogurt. On busy days, she simply tosses frozen blueberries into a smoothie with banana and almonds, quick, easy, and packed with goodness. If you're choosing blueberries, go for organic fresh berries or unsweetened frozen ones to get the full benefits without added sugars. It's such a simple habit, but it can truly recharge your body, calm inflammation, and help your legs feel stronger, steadier, and more agile with each passing day. Mary's story isn't a miracle. It's the result of one small but consistent choice. Adding 4 familiar fruits to her daily routine and sticking with it. Each fruit carries its own unique purpose in the body. Blueberries provide powerful antioxidants that protect nerve and muscle tissue, improve balance and reaction time, and help you stay steady on your feet. Kiwi boosts blood circulation, improves protein absorption, and helps muscles recover faster while reducing cramps and numbness in the legs. Pineapple contains bromelain, a natural anti-inflammatory enzyme that eases joint pain and supports flexible, pain-free movement. Dates offer clean, natural energy. They're rich in potassium and antioxidants that nourish your muscles and prevent weakness and fatigue. These are not some futuristic superfoods. They're not expensive. They're not hard to find. But when used consistently and paired with an active, positive lifestyle, they can create real, noticeable change. Just like Mary, you too can reclaim the strength in your legs, the confidence in your step, and most importantly, the freedom to live independently without relying on anyone else. So, why not start today? Try adding at least one of these 4 fruits to your meals tomorrow. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit subscribe and stay with us on this journey toward healthy, natural, and empowered living. Leave a comment below and share which fruit you enjoy most, or where you're watching from. We'd love to get to know you as part of this growing community of people who refuse to grow old, feeling weak or helpless. Your age doesn't define your strength. Your choices do.